Hello guys, are you fine? My name is José Sena. I am electronic engineering at more than 20 years ago. I worked in development of data acquisition electronic systems. In this video series, I am gonna show the development a low-cost data acquisition device, step by step, from hardware to software. In this slide is showing an application example. A computer is connected via USB in the device. Via software installed on the computer, the data acquired can be stored and visualized. This slide is showing our kind-of application of the device, Data Acquisition Development Board. In this case, the user can use the device via development board for help in development of embedded data acquisition application. In this device, I used a microcontroller PIC32mm. Then it will be necessary to use an ICD circuit debugger. The software MPLAB and XC32 compiler should be installed on the development computer. The low-cost data acquisition device has 8 differential channels with 24 bits of resolution. Each channel has a programmable gain amplifier. Each channel has gain fine-tuning, has digital offset adjust. The maximum data sample is about 100 kilo. This data acquisition device was taken to use by students, hobbyists, teachers, and researchers. Now, I am gonna show a little tutorial about schematic diagram design using KiCad software. This tutorial is very simple, and I recommend that you search more learning sources for get more information about KiCad software.